You're watching Channel 1's Kitchen and Garden. Let's join Romelo as he prepares for Christmas at home. How are you today? Welcome to my home and welcome to Channel 1. This is a growing and cooking channel, a garden and kitchen channel. We show to the world that cooking and gardening, the two, are fun. I went to the garden yesterday and dug my Christmas tree. Yes, this is alive. Buhay ito. And it's already in its second year. Last year after Christmas, I replanted it in the garden. And it grew this much. And next to it are my Belen. These are my only decorations for this year. My Ifugao Belen and my Inca Belen from Cusco, Peru, and from Banawe, Ifugao. By the way, if traveling is your preference, you can also watch our Ifugao and Peru travels in my other channel, the My Barrio My Mundo. But we are dedicating this video to what are you cooking this Christmas? Ano ang inyong iluluto or ipiprepare? Ano inyong i-prepare this Christmas? Dahil Pinoy tayo, I'm sure we will be preparing or will be buying at least hamon or ham. Not this type, I'm sure. Our hamon in the Philippines or in most Pinoy households, even in the US, is rather sweet. This is raw and it's eaten raw. Preferably consumed with wine. Ours is better consumed with Sprite or with rice. What else? By the way, I cooked this in advance. It will be uploading next. I combined all the best practices that I found online and it was perfect, I'm sure. I'm proud to tell you it's perfect. At first, I was apprehensive na hindi tama, but it turned out to be perfect. So, if you want to prepare homemade ham, check out our video. What will I be cooking this December? What are we expected to be uploaded in this channel? I'll be doing a crunchy leche flan. Siguro, it might be a surprise. How can you make leche flan crunchy? It's usually spoon, di ba? How do you make that crunchy? I'll be doing it in the Portuguese tradition, what they call the Pasteis de Belém or Pasteis de Nata. In Portuguese pronunciation, that might sound Pasteis de Nata. But yes, it is just leche flan na nilagay sa pastry, and the pastry is overcooked or is toasted, and it's eaten with the cup or the pastry cup. We'll do that here on Channel 1. I'll be introducing another version of the leche flan. Sana supportahan ninyo at gawin ninyo. I'll be doing siopaw, sweet siopaw with leche flan as filling instead of baboy or chicken. In Hong Kong and in Hong Kong it's called custard dumpling. Tawagin na rin natin siyang tawagin natin siyang leche flan pao. Tawagin natin siyang leche flan pao. How about you? What are you cooking? In addition to the traditional fruit salad, maraming gumagawa ng what they call the cathedral window. It's just a mixture of gelatin of different colors and assembled or pinatigas yung gelatin to resemble a cathedral window to make it look Christmassy. Usually red and green para Christmas color. Hindi Iglesia ni Cristo or Italy or Mexico color. It's Christmas color, red and green. But gelatin is a kiddie food. Pambatibot yan. So I'll be doing for adults only. Gelatin for adults. Oo naman, katanda mong tao, kakain ka ng gelatin, so I'll be doing a for adults version. And one special delicacy during Christmas associated with post Simbang Gabi or before Simbang Gabi snack is Yes, we'll be doing that. Puto Bongbong, and it's uploading next week. Or even after this, I think. How about you? Anong lulutuin ninyo? Another popular Christmas dish is embutido. Yeah, maraming nangrarakit niyan. They prepare it during Christmas sa opisina and then they sell it to the colleagues. Embutido. Another version of embutido is the jardinera. It's just a big version ng embutido. Embutido is rolled, but jardinera is kept as a loaf. And this is very popular in the Tagalog provinces. I made this too and are available in the description box and in the playlist. I combined the best practices and it was perfect. Another delicacy that I've proven to be easy is sapin-sapin. I did the recipe of Aling Uday of the UK and it's easy. And I included troubleshooting on the serving. It can be, because it's sticky, it can get stuck to your plate. So I've added troubleshooting to that. Next to the puto bongbong as favorites are the bibingka or galapong, or bibingka made from rice flour, and the bibingka malagkit, which I already did. It's available in the playlist. I already did it twice to perfection. And you might want to see the troubleshooting that I did there. During the Christmas season, I'll continue to explore ubi cakes. And you know, the ubi cake roll that I made is a hit, has become a hit here in this part of Holland. Marami nang nag-order. That's why I'm really concerned that this channel might become a pastry bakery, which I don't like. So, this Christmas I'll be continuing to explore ube recipes. I'll be doing ube brazo de Mercedes. I'll be doing what else? And introducing my ube hopia. And all these ube recipes, you might not believe, are from my own crop of kamote. And in fact, from that crop, if you're wondering what are behind these curtains, they are my seedlings for next year. I propagated them from the same plant that produced the ube that I'm using now for my cake recipes. So wherever you are in the world, whatever situation we're in, whatever levels of queue, ACQ, or whatever number of queues we're in, I hope that we are still able to celebrate and prepare something. Use your creativity and celebrate. So, what are you cooking? Have a Merry Christmas. Make it delicious. Your Kuya Uncle here in Holland, Rotterdam.